Sundarbans is not just about spotting tigers, it is so much more. The endless river, the vast sky, the greenery, and it is the largest dense mangrove forest in the world.
We are in Sundarban, traveling since morning. The view is mesmerizing. We can only hear the chirping of birds and the noise of boats. I'm enjoying thoroughly.
We had the thrilling launch rides and enjoyed the sight of wild deer, crocodiles, the exotic birds, along with the delicious food on board. Those who live in Sundarbans worship Bono Bibi irrespective of their caste and religion. They believe Bono Bibi will save them from all the dangers, including the Dakshin Rai or the tiger. We then went to a watchtower, and from that height, the jungle appeared even more beautiful. And if you're too lucky, then you may also get a chance to spot a tiger from that point. We were delighted to see the large crocodile and a truly fascinating bird. You can view different colors of Sundarbans at different time of the day, and I was spellbound. Sundarban is a very quiet and peaceful place. It is on you whether you will come alone or in a group. But we came in a group and we had a fantastic experience. After reaching our resort at Bali Deep, we had a musical evening.
মানে মামা করে মা তুমি আমার রক্ষা করো মা তখনই দেখে রে দুঃখে নজর করে আমি যে তোর মা দেখে রে দুঃখে নজর করে আমি যে তোর মা খুতকুড়ো অঞ্চলে বাধা খুতকুড়ো অঞ্চলে বাধা আমায় তুমি চেনো না They serve lovely Bengali cuisine for lunch. There were dal, vegetables, variety of fishes like prawns or crab, along with chutney and sweet dish. In the evening they served chicken or mutton at the resort. Apart from this, They served morning breakfast, mid snacks, evening tea with snacks. Then we went to Shudhano Khali, where we walked through a bridge which was covered, and from there we could see a large portion of the jungle.
আর দানা পানি আমরা গরিব দুঃখী বলে পাড়ার লোকে কতই বলে আমরা গরিব দুঃখী বলে পাড়ার লোকে কতই বলে তুমি দেহ ছাড়া হলে তুমি দেহ ছাড়া হলে বাজবে না আমার মা জননী এ দেহ ত্যাগ করো রে প্রাণ দেখ রে দুঃখে নজর করে আমি যে তোর মা বনে যখন এলে তুমি বারণ করেছি।
It was an unforgettable and a memorable experience. If you have any queries, then please ask me in the comment section. And if you have liked watching my channel, then please subscribe it for further notifications. Thank you so much for watching my channel.